Good morning, students. In previous class we discussed how to find tangent to the parabola at the given point, and when the line y is equal to mx plus c becomes a tangent to the parabola. Now in this class we are going to discuss how to find pair of tangents. Right, first problem. Equation of the common tangent to y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 32y is, in this problem we find the common tangent to both these two parabolas. Alright, one formula regarding this problem. Equation of common tangent the equation of common tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by is x into a power 1 by 3 plus y into b power 1 by 3 plus a power 2 by 3 into b power 2 by 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of common tangent to this parabola and this parabola. This equation touches both these two parabolas. Now apply this formula to this problem. What are the given parabolas here? Y square is equal to 4x, x square is equal to 32y. Now compare this parabola with y square is equal to 4ax. Then what is 4a value? 4a is equal to 4. A is equal to 1. Compare this parabola with this. What we get? 4b is equal to 32. B is equal to 8. Now substitute a value, b value here. Then the equation of common tangent is x into a power 1 by 3. What is a value? 1. 1 power 1 by 3 plus y into b. B is 8. 8 power 1 by 3 plus a power 2 by 3. 1 power 2 by 3 b. B is 8. 8 power 2 by 3 is equal to 0. 1 power anything? 1 plus. See here, 8 is taken as 2 cube. 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel. We get 2. 1 power anything? 1. Here also 8 is taken as 2 cube whole to the power of 2 by 3. 3 3 cancel. 2 square, that is 4. X plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of common tangent to both the parabolas. Next problem. Equation of the common tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 24x and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 18 is what is the given parabola y square is equal to 24x. It is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 24. A is equal to 6. Okay, we know equation of, in previous class we have already discussed equation of any tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is y is equal to mx plus a by m. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. We already discussed this formula in previous class. What is a value here? 6. So y is equal to mx plus 6 by m. On simplifying, we get y is equal to m square x plus 6, taking LCM. Now cross multiplying, y into m is equal to m square x plus 6, or write it as m square x minus m into y plus 6 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now this line is also a tangent to the circle. Here we want to find equation of common tangent to parabola and circle. This is the tangent to parabola. When this line becomes tangent to the circle, when any line becomes tangent to the circle, when any line becomes tangent to the circle, if the distance from center to that line is equal to radius, then this line becomes tangent to the circle. Okay, let this equation be 1. Equation 1 becomes tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 18. Its center of this circle is 0, 0. Radius r is equal to root 18. It is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is a circle with center 0, 0 and radius a. A is root 18. Okay, when that line 1 becomes tangent to the circle, if radius r is equal to distance from center, what is the center of that circle? 0, 0 to the line 1. What is radius of the circle? Root 18 is equal to distance from origin to the line 1. Distance from any point x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Here x1 y1 is 0 comma 0. So first term is 0, second term is 0. C, what is the constant term in that equation? 6 by root of a square. Here a is m square, b is minus m, c is 6. A square m square whole square plus b square minus m whole square. Now cross multiply. Root 18 into root of m power 4 plus m square is equal to 6. Now squaring on both sides to remove the square root. 18 into m power 4 plus m square is equal to 6. 3 times cancel. So 3m power 4 plus 3m square is equal to 1, or minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, find the factors and find the value of m. On squaring, here we get 6 square, that is 36. 36, 2 times cancel, 18, 2 times cancel. So minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the equation obtained here? M power 4 plus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, find the factors. M power 4 plus 2m square minus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Take m square common. M square into now it is m square minus 1 into m square plus 2 is equal to 0. From this, m square is equal to 1 or m square is equal to minus 2. Then what is m value? M is a plus or minus 1. Plus or minus root 2. For negative values, square root is not defined. So m is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, if you take m is equal to 1, then the common tangent is from equation 1 x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. That is one common tangent. If you put m is equal to minus 1, you get another common tangent. If m is equal to minus 1, then substitute in equation 1, what we get? X plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. These two lines are common tangents to parabola and the circle. Write the next problem. If theta is the angle between two tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 12x from the point 1 comma 4, then tan theta is equal to see here, it is the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. From an external point, how many tangents are drawn to this parabola? This is one tangent and this is another tangent. Two tangents are drawn from an external point to the parabola. If theta is the angle between these two tangents, then to find the angle theta, we use the formula tan theta is equal to root of S11 by x1 plus a. This is the formula to find the angle between two tangents from an external point to the parabola. Here what is the, first we find S11 value. What is the given parabola? Y square is equal to 12x, or y square minus 12x is equal to 0. What is the given point here? x1 y1 is equal to 1 comma 4. How can we get S11? Substituting this point, substitute this point in this parabola, then we get S11. We put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Then S11 value 4 square minus 12 into 1. 16 minus 12, that is 4. Therefore, tan theta is equal to root of S11 root 4 by x1 plus a. What is x1? 1 plus a. You compare this parabola with y square is equal to 4ax. Then 4a is equal to 12. A is equal to 3. Root 4, 2. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Write the next problem. The locus of point of intersection of two tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax inclined at an angle 45 degrees is to this parabola, two tangents are drawn from an external point Px1 y1. Px1 y1 is the external point. What is the angle between these two tangents? 45 degrees. Angle is 45 degrees. Find the locus of this point of intersection P. Right. First draw the diagram. Let Px1 y1 be any point on the locus. On the locus. This point is the point of intersection of tangents to the parabola. We already discussed, if theta is the angle between pair of tangents, then how to find the angle between the pair of tangents? By using this formula, tan theta is equal to root S11 by x1 plus a. Write that formula, tan theta is equal to root S11 by x1 plus a. Here what is theta value? 45. Tan 45 degrees is equal to root S11. What is the parabola equation? Y square is equal to 4ax. Or write it as y square minus 4ax is equal to 0. S11 is obtained by substituting the point x1, y1 in parabola equation. So S11 is y1 square minus 4ax1 by x1 plus a. Given parabola is in standard form. So a is a. What is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Now cross multiply. Is equal to x1 plus a. To remove the square root, squaring on both sides. X1 plus a whole square. Apply the formula a plus b whole square. X1 square plus a square plus 2a x1. Or write it as x1 square minus y1 square. Take these two terms to the right hand side. Minus 4a x1 plus, this becomes plus 4a x1. 4 plus 2 plus 6a x1 plus a square is equal to 0. Therefore, locus of the point is, in place of x1 you write x, in place of y1 you write y to find the locus. It becomes x square plus y square plus 6ax plus a square is equal to 0. Write the next problem. The length of chord of contact of the point 2, 5 with respect to the parabola y square is equal to 8x is see here, first of all we discuss what is meant by chord of contact. This is the given parabola y square is equal to 8x. It is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 8, then a is equal to 2. See, from an external point, how many tangents are drawn to any parabola? 2 tangents. let the given point be 2 comma 5. Let the points of contacts be A and B. From external point P, two tangents are drawn. Let the points of contact be A and B. If we draw a line segment joining 2 points A and B, this line segment joining 2 points of contact is called chord of contact. Chord of contact. Chord of contact means it is the line segment joining the points of contact. Okay, we want to find length of chord of contact, this length or distance between the points A and B. Now there is one formula to find the chord of contact directly. First write that formula. The length of chord of contact of the tangents drawn from x1 y1 to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is root of y1 square minus 4ax1 into y1 square plus 4a square by a. This is the formula to find the length of chord of contact. In this, what is x1 y1 given? 2 comma 5. Substitute root of y1 square. What is y1 square? y1 is 5. y1 square 25 minus 4 into a. a is 2. x1 2. Next into y1 square 5 square 25 plus 4 into a square. a is 2. a square 4 by a is 2. Now calculate this value. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 16. 25 minus 16 9 into 16. 4 into 4 16. 16 plus 25 41 by 2. Root 9 is 3. So 3 root 41 by 2. Okay, this is the length of the chord of contact. Next, write the next problem. Area of the triangle formed by the pair of tangents drawn from -1, 4 to y square is equal to 16x and the chord of contact is see what is the given parabola here. Y square is equal to 16x. It is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 16. So a is equal to 4. Here we find area of the triangle formed by pair of tangents from this point to this parabola. What is the given point? -1, 4. From this point, how many tangents are drawn? 2 tangents. Let the points of contacts be A and B. What is meant by chord of contact? It is the line segment joining the points A and B. We already discussed in previous problem also. Now observe that a triangle formed by these tangents with chord of contact, a triangle is formed PAB. To this triangle, find area of the triangle. Right, area of the triangle PAB is equal to, there is one formula to find area of the triangle. Write that formula: y1 square minus 4ax1 whole power 3/2 by 2a. Here all the formulas are there in your material. First you read the formulas in the given synopsis. Okay, area of the triangle PAB is obtained from this formula. In this what is x1 y1? The given point x1 is -1, y1 is 4. What is a value? A is equal to 4. Substitute those values in this formula. y1 square, what is y1? 4. y1 square 16 minus 4 into a 4 into x1. x1 is -1 whole to the power of 3/2 by 2 into a is 4. Now simplify this. 4 into 4 16, minus into minus plus 16 plus 16 32 whole to the power of 3/2 by 2 into 4 8. That is the area of the triangle. Okay, we may further simplify this. This is taken as 16 into 2. 16 is 4 square into 2 whole power 3/2 by 8. 4 square 2 2 cancel. 4 cube 64. 64 into 2 to the power of 3/2 by 8. 8 times cancel. That is 8 into 2 power 3/2. That is taken as 2 root 2. That is equal to 16 root 2. Here area is represented by square units. 16 root 2 square units. Write the next problem. Two tangents are drawn from the point -2, -1 to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. If alpha is the angle between these tangents, then tan alpha is equal to, what is the given parabola y square is equal to 4x? It is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1. Two tangents are drawn from the point -2, -1 to this parabola. Two tangents are drawn. If alpha is the angle between these two tangents, then tan alpha is equal to, we already discussed the formula to find tan theta, root of s11 by x1 plus a. What is x1 y1 here? x1 -2, y1 -1. How to get s11? Substitute this point x1 y1 in the parabola. What is the equation of parabola? Y square is equal to 4x, or y square minus 4x is equal to 0. Substitute this point in this equation. Y square -1 whole square minus 4 into x1 is -2 by x1 plus a -2 plus a is 1. A is 1. Minus 1 square 1, 4 into 2 8, 1 plus 8 by minus 1. 1 plus 8 9, root 9 3, 3 by minus 1, that is minus 3. Okay. Write the next problem. Next we discuss some problems on normals. We know what is meant by normal. We already discussed this concept in circles. This is the parabola. This is the tangent to the parabola. Let it the point be P. P is the point of contact. Now normal means it is a line perpendicular to, this is tangent. Normal means it is a line perpendicular to tangent and passing through point of contact. This line is called normal line. This is called normal line. Okay, write one problem. if the line x minus y plus k is equal to 0 is a normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, then the value of k is okay. Write one formula here. The condition for a line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 to be a normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is a into L cube plus 2a into Lm square plus m square n is equal to 0. This is the condition for any line a Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 to be normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Now we apply this formula to this problem on comparing what is L value. L is equal to 1. Comparing this line with this line, m is equal to minus 1, n is equal to k. Next, in parabola, value of a is same, a. Given parabola is in standard form. Okay, substitute these values in this condition. What we get? A into L cube, 1 cube, 2a into Lm, 1 into minus 1, L into m square, minus 1 whole square, plus m square into n, n is k, is equal to 0. A plus minus 1 whole square 1, a plus 2a plus k is equal to 0. 3a plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 3a. So the value of k is minus 3a. Next, equation of the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4x, which is perpendicular to x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is See here, required normal is perpendicular to this line. Okay, what is the line perpendicular to this line? Right, what is the given line here? X plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Let equation of the line perpendicular to x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 be 3x minus y plus k is equal to 0. We already know in straight lines a line perpendicular to bx plus cy plus k is equal to 0 is in the form of bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. You observe that what is the slope of this line? Minus a by b. What is the slope of this line? B by a. Here m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So any line perpendicular to this line is in this form. Any line parallel to this line is in the form of ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. We know when two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus 1. When two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Okay, let it be equation 1. Now this line is normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. This line 1 is normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Here 4a is equal to 4, a is equal to 1. We already discussed when a line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 becomes normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax if it satisfies this condition al cube, then al cube plus 2a into l m square plus m square n is equal to 0. Now substitute the values of l, m, n and a in this. A is 1, l is 3 cube, 2 into a into l, 3 into m square, m is minus 1 plus m square into n, n is k, 3 cube 27 minus 1 square 1, 2 into 3 6 minus 1 square 1, 27 plus 6 33. So k is equal to minus 33. Therefore equation of that line is, substitute k value in equation 1. From equation 1, equation of the normal is three x minus y minus 33 is equal to 0. These are the problems on normal. Write the next problem. Equation of the chord of a parabola y square is equal to 8x, which is bisected at the point 2 minus 3. What is the given parabola? Y square is equal to 8x. It is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax. So 4a is equal to 8 and a is equal to 2. Chord of the parabola. Chord means it is the line segment joining any 2 points. This is the chord of the parabola. Chord is bisected at the point. Let the point be P. Chord is bisected means this P is the midpoint of the chord. P is the midpoint of AB. We already know if Px1 y1 is the midpoint of the chord, then equation of that chord is S1 is equal to S11. Write that formula. Equation of a chord having Px1 y1 as its midpoint is S1 is equal to S11. This formula is repeated in circles and ellipse and hyperbola also. Formulas are common to all the curves. Okay, equation of chord having x1 y1 as its midpoint is S1 is equal to S11. Here the curve is parabola. What is the given parabola? Y square is equal to 8x, or S is taken as y square minus 8x. To this parabola, what is S1? S1 y1 minus 4 into x plus x1. Y square is taken as y into y. 8x is taken as 4 into 2x. 2x is x plus x. So this is S1. What is S11? Substitute x1 y1 directly in this equation. We get y1 square minus 8x1. Okay, but what is x1 y1 here? x1 y1, x1 is 2, y1 is minus 3, the given point. Substitute x1 y1 in this equation. Y into y1 minus 4 into x plus x1 2, y1 square x1, that is 2, y into minus 3 minus 3y minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 9. 8 minus 2 16. This is minus 7. This is 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the chord. Right. In the same model, do this problem. Equation of the chord of y square is equal to 6x with midpoint at the point -1, 1 is what is the midpoint of the chord here? -1, 1, p -1, 1. If p -1, 1 is midpoint of the chord, find the equation of that chord of that parabola y square is equal to 6x. What is given parabola? Y square is equal to 6x. 6x. Write it as y square minus 6x. Let it be s. What is the equation of the chord having p x1 y1 as midpoint? Apply that same formula. Equation of the chord having p x1 y1 as its midpoint is s1 is equal to s11. Apply this same formula. What is s1 here to this equation? Y into y1 minus 3 into x plus x1. Divide this with 2. We get 3 is equal to s11 y1 square minus 6x1. S11 is obtained by substituting x1 y1 in the given equation. But what is x1 and y1? x1 is -1, y1 is 1. Substitute these values. Y into y1 1 minus 3 into x plus x1 minus 1 is equal to y1 square 1 square minus 6 into x1, that is minus 1. Y minus 3x plus 3 is equal to minus into minus plus 6 plus 1, that is 7, or is 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the chord. Write the next problem on this model. The locus of middle points of all chords of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax passing through the vertex is First read the problem. What is given? Log to this parabola, find the locus of midpoints. Let x1, y1 be the midpoint. Let p x1, y1 be the midpoint of chord. Midpoint of chord. We find locus of this point P that passes through the vertex of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. If px1 y1 is midpoint of the chord, then what is the equation of the chord having px1 y1 as midpoint? S1 is equal to S11. Write that formula. What is S1 to this equation? What is S here? What is the given parabola? Y square is equal to 4ax. So S is y square minus 4ax. S1 y1 minus 2a into x plus x1. This is S1. S11 y1 square minus 4a x1. We already discussed how to write S1 and S11 in the notation. But this passes through, this chord passes through vertex. In the problem, chord passes through the vertex. What is the vertex of this parabola? Vertex is 0, 0. This parabola is in standard form. If the parabola is in standard form, its vertex is 0, 0. So this chord passes through this point. Now you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in this equation. So what we get? 0 into y1, 0 minus 2a into 0 plus x1. That is x1 is equal to y1 square minus 4a x1. You put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in this equation. So y1 square is equal to 2a x1. Take this minus to this side. Therefore, locus of the point P x1 y1 is, how to find locus of any point? In place of x1 and y1 we write x and y, then we get the locus of that point P. So we get y square is equal to 2ax. That is the locus of this point P. Okay. In next class, we will discuss some objective problems on pole and polar.